guys, once again, Mark Easton here, Royal Chevrolet Cadillac. We're going to show off our 2021 High Country that just landed in stock. So it does have a few pretty cool features. It's got the High Country Deluxe package, gives you a bunch of safety features that you're really looking for. More on that later. It also has a tech package. What's really cool about the tech package is the rear camera streaming mirror, where you can actually flip the rear camera to stream from one of the multiple cameras here on the back. So if you're full of gear, if you got a bunch of people inside, you'll be able to stream in high def what's behind you, which is a pretty neat feature. On top of the fact that it has the 15-inch diagonal heads-up display. It's massive, guys. It's really cool. You got to check it out. And one of the really awesome features, brand new to Chevy, is the Multiflex Tailgate. Check this out. It almost wasn't working me there for a second. That would have been embarrassing. So this is pretty easy. If you need a hand getting up and into the tailgate, just like so. Really awesome feature. Now check out the 4 boxes down here. There's actually a supplemental speaker system that you can purchase from us. It's a kicker sound system. Really nice for out in the driveway, having a couple of cold pops with the friends and the family, and you can control it, of course, via Bluetooth. Another nice thing is if you have a hard time getting up, I know I look pretty nimble, everybody, but not everyone is as nimble as me. Nice little handle that snaps into place. You've got a couple of steps that can help you up and in. Now to put it back, you pretty much just reverse the process. But there is one more thing I do want to show you. If you do have the Multiflex tailgate down, you can extend a little bit. Check that out as well. If you have a little bit of longer lumber, some pipes, anything at all, you know what? Every little bit counts. And it's just a nice little neat feature. And you don't really need that red flag going down the road, of course, unless you have something really long. Guys, check us out in the future. There's really exciting stuff coming through, brought to you by Chevy. We'll see you soon. Thanks again. Take care.